Before starting your online clothing store, you must have to know about the global market trend for your business. Global e-commerce apparel market size was valued at USD 595.76 million in 2022 and is poised to grow from USD 645.21 million in 2023 to USD 1221.03 million by 2031. It would grow at a CAGR of 8.3% during the forecast period. Now, let's talk about and jump into the practical steps. Step 1. Building your website. The first step in starting an online clothing store is building a website. Your website is your storefront, and making a good first impression is crucial. There are many platforms you can use to create your website, such as Shopify, Ecommerce or Ecommerce. For this tutorial, we'll use Shopify because it's user-friendly and offers great tools for online stores. So firstly, sign up for Shopify. Go to the Shopify website and sign up for a free trial. Follow the prompts to enter your store name and other details. Now, choose a theme. Shopify offers various themes tailored for online clothing stores. Choose one that fits your brand's aesthetics. Customize it by adding your logo, changing colors, and setting up your homepage. Now add products. Go to the products section and start adding your clothing items. Include high quality images, detailed descriptions, prices, and sizes available. Next step is set up payment and shipping. You have to configure your payment gateways such as PayPal or Stripe and set up your shipping options based on your target market. Once your website is set up, it's time to attract visitors. This is where SEO, PPC and social media come into play. So the step 2 is search engine optimization. SEO or search engine optimization helps your website rank higher on search engines like Google. Here's how to optimize your site for SEO. First thing you need to do is keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs to find keywords related to your clothing niche. Focus on long tail keywords like affordable summer dresses or vintage denim jackets, and then comes the part of on-page SEO. Optimize your product pages and blog posts by including these keywords in your titles, meta descriptions, headers, and throughout your content. Next, you need to create quality content. You can start a blog on your website and publish articles that provide value to your audience, such as fashion tips, styling guides, and industry news. Then comes the part of technical SEO. Ensure your website loads quickly, is mobile friendly, and has a clean URL structure. Use tools like Google Search Console to monitor your site's performance. With SEO, you are setting the foundation for organic traffic. But to get quick results, let's move on to the part of PPC. PPC or pay per click advertising allows you to place ads on search engines and social media platforms. You only pay when someone clicks on your ad, making it a cost-effective way to drive traffic and sales. Create a Google Ads account and set up a campaign. Choose the type of campaign such as search, display, or shopping. Select your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behavior. Write compelling ad copies and use high-quality images or videos. Set up your budget and bid strategy. Then launch your campaign. Next comes Facebook ads. Create a Facebook Business Manager account. Set up a campaign and choose your objective, such as traffic conversions or brand awareness. Define your target audience and set your budget. Design your ad with the engaging visuals and persuasive text. Launch your campaign and monitor its performance. PPC is great for immediate traffic, But to build a loyal customer base, you need to leverage social media. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are powerful tools for promoting your online clothing store. You need to create your business profile, set up professional business profiles on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Ensure your profiles are complete with your logo, bio, and a link to your website. Then comes the part of content strategy. Develop a content calendar and post regularly. Share a mix of product photos, user-generated content, behind-the-scenes shots, and fashion tips. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Then comes the part of engagement. Engage with your followers by responding to comments, DMs, and participating in conversations. Host giveaways and contests to increase engagement and attract new followers. Then comes the part of social media ads. Use Instagram and Facebook ads to reach a larger audience. Experiment with different ad formats like carousel ads, video ads, and stories ads. And before we wrap up, I want to introduce you to Softtrix, a digital marketing agency that can help you at every step of your journey. Softtrix specializes in website creation, ensuring your online store is not only visually appealing but also highly functional and user-friendly. We have a team of SEO experts who will optimize your site to rank higher on search engines, driving organic traffic to your web store. Also, our PPC specialists will design and manage targeted ad campaigns on platforms like Google and Facebook, ensuring you get the best return on your investment. Plus, Softtrix social media marketing services will help you build a strong online presence, engage with your audience, and grow your following across platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. With Softtrix, you have a dedicated partner to help your online clothing store succeed in the digital marketplace. And there you have it. You can successfully launch and grow your online clothing store by combining a well-designed website, SEO, PPC, and social media marketing. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified for any new information. Happy selling!